If you're looking for a beautiful curio that can hold all of your prized possessions, maybe you have a statue collection like we do, or you have some beautiful plates or vases. If you really want to have something that you care about on display for your friends and family in your living room or dining room, then I would really recommend this beautiful Pulaski curio. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention before we get started. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you. We've had it for several years now. I love that it has a really beautiful Victorian cherry finish. It has beveled glass all around the perimeter of the front-facing glass. Another thing I really love about this curio is that it has a sliding door. So you can slide the door to the right, you can slide the door to the left, and so you have easy access to be able to put items inside your curio from either end of the curio. The curio also comes with a lock and key, so if you don't want anyone to have access to your items, you can simply lock the curio and unwanted guests will not be able to get in. So overall, I love this curio. I think it's beautiful to look at. I think it's highly practical, and I think it's one of the best ways to be able to display collectibles and heirlooms.